Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita, and today I am back with my third and final macrame ornament idea. So the last couple of days I've shared a couple other ornament ideas, and today's ornament looks like a little Christmas tree. All right, let's jump in. So we are using the exact same cording. This is 5mm cording, and I have links to everything in the video description if you have any questions about the products. All right, so you want to start by cutting your first piece of macrame for the center of the tree, and this one is 16 inches long, and you can knot that at the top just with a simple overhand knot, and you want to leave about 2 inches of a loop there at the top to hang it on the tree. And then you can cut the other pieces that you'll need for the branches, and these pieces are about 6 to 7 inches long, and you need to cut 12 of them total. So you can get those all cut so they're roughly around the same size. It doesn't have to be perfect, so don't worry about getting it all perfect. All right, so now you can start knotting everything. And I know this process may look a little complicated at first, but I'm going to go really slow here and break it down for you. And it's much easier to watch in a video format rather than pictures. So you're in for a treat here. So first you'll take one of the small pieces and fold it in half and put it on the bottom side. Then you'll take another small piece, put it in half. Grab the ends from the piece you already put in on the bottom and pull it up through the loop, and then grab the other ends and push it down through the loop on the other side. So you're basically interlocking the loops, and then you pull it tight, and it will probably want to twist up those center cords. No problem, just kind of adjust them as you go so they're laying flat and not twisted in there. And then on the next one, you're going to do the entire process again, but you're going to start on the opposite side. So last time we put the piece on the left on the bottom, and this time we're putting it on the right. So you just interlock the pieces as you go, pull them tight, and then push up. So you'll see as I continue going here, and now I'm going to start on the left side. And I'll speed it up a little bit so you can kind of see how the process goes when you're moving a little faster. But altogether, you will put 6 of these interlocking pieces on the tree. If you wanted to make it longer, you totally could, but since we cut 12 and we're using 2 each time, you'll do 6 total. And if you want to get technical, if you've done any bit of macrame, this type of knot is called a square knot. So that's what it's called. But as you can see, it's very pretty simple. So once everything has been knotted, you can grab a plastic comb to unravel all of the macrame cording. And I have heard from other people that a pet brush will also work. I've actually tried that on another project and I didn't like it very much, so I stick with the plastic comb method. But feel free to try the pet brush if you want. So when you're unraveling, it helps to start at the ends of the pieces and work your way towards the middle. You can see there I've already done the bottom a couple of inches and I'm making my way up towards the middle. And I had a little one stop by and she wanted to help out, so I gave her a turn unraveling with the comb, and she always has fun helping Mom. So this, my friends, is proof that if a 5-year-old can do this, guys, you can too. Unraveling it can take a little bit of time, but throw on a good podcast or something and it'll go quickly. All right, so next you can trim everything up so that it looks more like a Christmas tree shape. And you'll see there that I'm using small detail scissors. The scissors that you want to use for this they need to be very sharp. So not your regular crafting scissors. I like to use ones that are made specifically for cutting yarn and small detail crafts like this. And these ones have a case, so they are covered up because they're super, super sharp. All right, so as you're cutting it, you just want to, it helps to cut most of the excess off, so everything's a little thinner, and then just angle it in a straight line all the way up to the top where it will be pointed, and then you can cut the bottom so it's nice and uniform at the bottom. And then I decided to add a little star to the top. I had these metal stars in my craft supplies and I thought they looked great. And this is how it looks on the Christmas tree. I love how this turned out, and it fits right in with the rest of the macrame crafts, macrame ornaments that I made. There's that Christmas tree one, and then I did the little cinnamon stick one. You can check that video out here. And then last but not least is this fun angel one. And I just love how they all look together. They're cohesive. I used the same type of cording so everything matched, and it fits right in with my boho decorated Christmas tree in our bedroom. All right, we have even more fun Christmas craft projects for you this season. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one, and then watch this video next. And I will see you guys next time. All right, have a great day.